ẹ̀yin tèmi ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ wá gbọ́ ẹ súnmọ́ bí o wọ́n ní very dark man kó máa lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n báyìí nítorí pé ó ń wá gbogbo ọ̀nà gbogbo ète gbogbo ọgbọ́n láti make sure pé President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ó jáde láyé. ẹ̀yin náà wá wo fídíò yẹn o ẹ wá wò ó ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ àbóyẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́tẹ́yìn náà bá rí ẹ bá mi subscribe sí àkọ́tìrì ẹ bá mi share fídíò ẹ bá mi like kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ comment ẹjọ́ o ó ti ń happen báyìí ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti ń rúgbó bọ̀ o.
Alright, so to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I don't know if you see the internet, but if you are not seeing the internet, I've been going through the internet, right? First things first, they actually wish that it was you that buy instead of Buhari. Now, when no be you come buy before Buhari, they are praying that you will be the next to buy. Now, let me tell you the craziest part, if you even buy, what they will do to your corpse will be worse than what they are doing to Buhari's corpse. They're going to insult your corpse, you're not going to rest in peace. Why? Because now you are ruling the country. As a matter of fact, some people actually preferred that they bring Buhari back instead of you. And if you remember, Buhari was one of the most insulted presidents because of hardship. But when you came in, your hardship even doubled Buhari on. A lot of policies that were introduced was not even favorable to the people. Your regime is so bad that people don't even want to associate themselves with you. Nobody wants to be seen with Tinubu. Gone are the days where we say person snap with president, you would be happy. Now, if you're by mistake, a picture of somebody, an influencer, a celebrity is released with the president, they automatically see you as a bad person. They're going to insult you. Your regime is so bad that nobody can say anything good about you. Once they just talk anything good about you, everybody don't para. So they actually pray me you buy. You still have an opportunity. Just think about what you have done. Think about your regime. What people go think? You come, hardship double. Yeah, I'm a realist. I'll just look at the way they be. You came into power, the hardship double. For a price, boom. You say you remove subsidy so that you go use the money, do something for Nigeria, but you still they borrow money up to today. We never thought in this world that as Nigerians where they produce oil, we go they buy fuel for this price or they buy. That being said, okay, no wahala. Even the Agbado when I used to a campaign, I want to relate Agbado to food stuff. How much the food stuff? See the price of rice, see the price of beans, see the price of gari. Minimum wage where you said you increase, now still I will call them lies. Because a lot of people see they complain, say their offices, they know they pay them. Coastal highway, it be like fraud. Coastal highway looks like fraud that have been abandoned. They don't do them reach halfway, they leave them. Guess what? You are still borrowing money again for that project after how many billion was dropped, how many trillion was dropped. Are we going to talk about insecurity of the country? Country no secure, and every day, every people they buy, left, right, and center. Every day, people they buy. Should I list? Even till tomorrow, people see they buy for Benue. As I talk to you now, for Agenebu there, at those states, people they buy. Yeah, because of insecurity. See Jos, see Taraba. I feel list states. See Ondo, see Enugu till tomorrow, see Bayelsa. All these places insecurity. The question I will ask is, what you can even really do as the president? You still have a lot of time to do a lot of things. I just don't want to go into detail. I say it's so bad. They posted one of your daughters yesterday, saying that your daughter. I don't know how true, but guess what? There's no peace for the girl. They start to insult the girl. Yeah, when I born, they born enter inside where they born and me too. They start to insult them. It's how bad when Nigeria take this like now. Or I would say hate. Anybody where they support now from her money, said I don't collect money, or if they don't promise her something. Or the people will be tribal, where tribalism won't finish. Where tribalism won't finish. Or religion. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, just in case you know they see social media and the way they are reacting to the death of Buhari, I'll just show you today. This is their reaction. They are wishing that now you go by. And if by mistake God can even answer their prayers, they go do your cups, go washed. Still get a lot of time to do a lot of things. My own, even if that insecurity you solve, killing them too much. I persuade they are alive, they chop food. Before they talk about food stuff or they talk about fuel, they talk about minimum wage. Even if now this insecurity issue you tackle, even if it's that one, you'll be remembered for that. Because as of now, you are going down as the worst president in the history of Nigeria. I can't twist it anyway. You go down as the worst president I've ever touched leg for this country. All your policies, no one they work. All. The only thing we want to take brag before when they celebrate your 2 years in power, they say students no go strike. ASU don't go strike. Oh. ASU don't go strike. Student loan was nonsense. You go down as the worst president in the history of Nigeria. You have the chance. You still get small times to start to do one or two things. I think you don't change anytime soon, man. I will pray that you'll be the next two. And you are 70 something now. You don't have much time again. Give or take. No, I don't think a lot of these people in power now, I don't think a lot of them, give or take 20 years. 20 years averagely, because person know now from 100 or something, give or take. Baba, you still get time, oh. You still get time to at least put one or two things in place. So I go turn everything around. Start with insecurity. If you can do insecurity first, we'll say, okay, yes, this problem where they don't face for Nigeria since Tinubu. But other than that, you definitely, there's no juju on earth. There's no whining. There's no PR. There's no publicity on earth that can erase it. That you go down as the worst president that Nigeria have ever had. Peace and love, don't play. Thank you.